Walang makakopy kay Mr. Pure Energy Gary Valenciano, na maghandog muli ng aliw at kasiyahan sa kanyang fans. Habang kumakanta si Gary Valenciano, ay bigla na lamang itong sinugod sa ospital. At dahil dito, sobrang nag-alala ang mga fans ni Gary. Matapos ngang sumama ang pakiramdam at isugod sa ospital, itinuloy noong December 22, ang day 2 ng kanyang concert. I will be at the Araneta today. No weapon formed against me will prosper, say ni Gary V sa isang Facebook post. Kinumpirma rin ito mismo ng kanyang team at sinabing, "It's a go," with folded hands emojis. Today's Sunday, December 22 show will be pushing through. Kasunod niyan ay lubos nilang pinasalamatan ang lahat ng nagdasal para sa agarang paggaling ng batikang performer, pati na rin ang day 2 ticket buyers, dahil sa kanilang understanding and patience. Dagdag pa, "We apologize for any inconvenience during the standby for this announcement. The decision of Gary came with much prayer." Magugunitang biglang inihinto ang pagtatanghal ni Gary V noong Biyernes, December 20, dahil sa health concern. Nagpaalam pa nga si Gary V sa gitna ng kanyang concert at inamin sa audience na hindi na maganda ang kanyang pakiramdam. Dahil dyan, biglang dumating ang ilang medical personnel upang assist ang seasoned singer sa pag-alis sa entablado. Hindi naman nagtagal nang mag-post ang kanyang misis na si Angeli Pangilinan, upang magbigay ng detalye tungkol sa kalagayan ng asawa. "Don't worry, guys. Gary is okay, just dehydrated. He vomited about 8 times today. But I'm here with him, and he's just weak," saad niya sa isang FB post. Pahayag pa niya, "To the fans, thank you. God is good. We love you all." Kahapon, nagkaroon ulit ng update si Angeli at tiniyak niyang maayos na ang lagay ni Gary V. Sugar okay. BP okay. Creatinine okay. He is okay. Just weak from all the throwing up from the stage to the stretcher is what happened, but he is okay now, pagbabahagi niya sa post. May naikwento rin si Angeli na tila may pumipigil sa pagtatanghal ng kanyang mister, dahil marami pa raw ang nangyari bago at pagkatapos ng concert. P.S. After his concert, a drunken driver bumped his van. Such is life. 3 hours before the concert, his tech director broke his arm. Our accountant too. His driver got into an accident too, which rendered him on leave for 4 weeks, and Gary drove and parked his car everywhere. May mga pagtatangka pa raw na naisirain ang kanilang diwa, pero aniya, "We will not be broken. If he is for us, who can be against us?"